Hi everyone, it's Patrick here at Mercedes-Benz Burlington. We get a lot of questions from clients asking how do I change the battery on my key fob? So I'm going to show you on our 3 most common Mercedes-Benz key fobs. Okay, so I'm going to go from our oldest to our newest design. This one is one of the original ones that we've had here. On the back there's just this little tab. You're going to pull the tab, this comes out. You're going to put it into the other side that the key doesn't go into, and that's going to allow this to pop off. Once this pops off, you take out the battery, put in a new one, and then slide this back on like so. Next we have this one, which is on a lot of our smaller cars and some of our SUVs. Same idea, but instead of a switch, there's just a button here. You're going to click in the button, that comes out, push really hard and apply pressure to this part, and then this is going to pop right open like that. Once that comes off, this one has a hidden one on the side here, so you can stick your nail into the side of it here, and this will open right up like that. Replace it, slide it back in, this slides back on like so, and then the key goes back in like so. And then on our most recent key, that's our new design on our S-Class or E-Class and some other products, same idea, press it on the back, this slides right open, push it in on the other side, apply a little force and this pops right off here. And then this one, you have to use the edge of the key. So you're going to put that in here, and that allows it to pop right open, and that reveals your battery there. Once the battery's in, you click it into place, click this on, and then just grab this and press down on the key to insert it back in. And there you have it.